Welcome back, guys. In this video, we will learn you in Turkish language. Watch the video completely. Let's get started. If you want to say you, there is two ways in Turkish. One, informal, and the second one, formal. So, the first one is sen. Sen. You. Sen. It is informal. And if you want to say it formally, you can say siz. Siz. You. I will give you some examples with these words. Sen nasılsın? Sen nasılsın? How are you? It is informal. Now the second way is siz nasılsınız? Siz nasılsınız? How are you? Formal. You can use any of them. I hope you know what is the meaning of formal and informal. If you don't know, you can comment and I will reply. Here, sen, you. Nasılsın, how are you? You can just say nasılsın. Let's continue. Sen güzelsin. Sen güzelsin. You are beautiful. It is informal. Informal. Sen güzelsin. And the formal way is siz güzelsiniz. Siz güzelsiniz. Siz güzelsiniz. You are beautiful. It is formal. Siz güzelsiniz. Here you can see sen is like you. Güzelsin, you are beautiful. You can just say güzelsin, you're beautiful. Or sen güzelsin, you are beautiful. Sen ne yapıyorsun? Sen ne yapıyorsun? What are you doing? Informal. And the second way is siz ne yapıyorsunuz? Siz ne yapıyorsunuz? What are you doing? It is formal. And if you translate sen, you, ne, what? Yapıyorsun, you are doing. So, you, what you are doing. It's like this. But the correct translation is what are you doing? Sen ne yapıyorsun? Seni seviyorum. I love you. Seni seviyorum. Seni seviyorum. It is informal. And the formal way is sizi seviyorum. Sizi seviyorum. You can use this to your father, your mother, the older people, you know. If you want to respect someone, you can use this one. But seni seviyorum is used with friends or if you love someone, you know. Seni, you. Seviyorum, I love. Seni seviyorum. I love you. Seni bekliyorum. I am waiting for you. Seni bekliyorum. I'm waiting for you. Informal. And the formal way is sizi bekliyorum. Sizi bekliyorum. I'm waiting for you. It is formal. So, seni, you. Bekliyorum, I am waiting. Seni bekliyorum, I'm waiting for you. Seni bekliyorum. Seni özledim. I missed you. It is the past tense. Seni özledim. I missed you. Informal. And the formal way is sizi özledim. Sizi özledim. I missed you. It is formal. Seni, you, özledim, I missed. Seni özledim, I missed you. Yes, that's it. İzlediğiniz için teşekkür ederim. Thanks for watching.